guest right now is Ur Oostenel. He is the CEO of METYX. METYX just won a JEC 2026 Innovation Award in the Renewable Energies category. So first of all, congratulations, Ur.
Thank you, Jeff.
And thank you for coming to the JEC studios. Tell us a little bit about what drove the development of this innovation. Customer demand, did you see a gap in the market? How did this come to be?
Sure. Well, it's good to be here, Jeff. I think the team was a bit frustrated not to see enough photovoltaic applications modules on passenger cars.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see them a lot on recreational vehicles, more like rigid, rectangular shape panels, and they're like, why can't we do something similar for passenger vehicles? I think the idea started like this. And then obviously there are some challenges, right? But I think the team did a pretty good job. And so I think we have now a pilot program running.
So explain to us what you've developed. It's a
Sure.
shaped panel.
Yeah, so it's
entirely composite.
Exactly. So it's first of all, the panel is produced in one shot, right, in a closed mold environment. And on the front, on a standard conventional solar panel, right, you have a glass unit. And here we have a glass fiber reinforced front sheet. And this is basically almost transparent. And that was the challenge, right? Because you don't have a transparent front sheet, then you're blocking some of the UV.
Right.
So, and in the back, we have a standard structure, carbon fiber reinforced, and so it's lightweight, about 50% of a standard photovoltaic panel module.
Okay.
So you have weight savings, and I guess the bigger thing we're excited about is you can actually curve the panel, and it basically matches the car's aerodynamic. So there are, a few good things, and obviously damage tolerant. You have some of the disadvantages you have with standard photovoltaic panels, you don't have with the composite version. So those are exciting for us.
You talked about placing this on a car, a passenger car.
Exactly.
Can you give us a sense for the kind of power something like this might produce? Was it enough to generate an air conditioner, the radio? Right.
We I don't have the exact numbers, but we looked at basically a very small electrical vehicle, and so it's basically going to just add on to the efficiency of the car, the battery. So again, there's still a lot of work we need to do on that front, but it's especially if the car is parked outside, right, in an urban area. It's just you're putting energy, right, in a sustainable way. That's why we're like, I think this is cool. I mean, I'd like to have a car that has that, right, on the roof. So we know it's not going to be the only source of energy for the car. We're not there yet. But it's definitely an additional source, which we're passing on today, right? Yeah. All these hundreds of thousands of cars.
Sitting outside doing nothing.
Exactly.
So would you imagine that these would charge a battery system?
Yes,
okay.
It will. Yeah.
Okay. So what are next steps for you? Have you talked to any automotive companies about this?
Right. So we have one OEM we're working with. We have an NDA. They don't want us to talk about it too much yet, but yeah, they're sponsoring this project. We have one pilot program. And I think this recognition was really good so that more people heard what we're trying to do. Yeah. So they can reach to us, of course.
All right. Well, Ur, thank you for being here today. Congratulations again on the award. And
my pleasure.
We'll look forward to seeing you at JEC World in March.
Yeah. Thank you, Jeff.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.